Excuse me, I don't think.
Full name, phone number, if you feel threatened doing your job, maybe it's sending a message that the market's...
You're on private property. You need to leave.
We're asking to build your compassionate side. I know you're taxpayers. You know, our tax dollars guarantee your guys' paychecks. But some of these people actually work for their money, and they don't want to lose their livelihood. I've lost friends, I've lost family who killed themselves. I've seen clients die because they've lost their livelihood.
I'm sorry to hear that.
I know you are, and I'm asking for you to have some compassion for the people that have lost everything.
We do have compassion for people.
Okay, well, you need to go have compassion out in the parking lot. This is private property. This is private property. This is private property.
Yes, it is.
It's private property. Go get a warrant. Listen, man.
You have to leave.
You're not wanted here. So do your jobs.
Well, his job is...
Well, no, your job is to remove people that are not wanted here. We're wanted here. They're not.
You have a health department?
We don't give a fuck about the health department.
This is for real, y'all.
I'm not doing anything wrong.
Don't worry about my health. My health isn't your
You're
concern.
meant to be wearing a mask. It's a good
Okay, well then write me up.
It's the law.
Okay, then
No,
then
it's
take me
not
to
the
jail.
law.
Then take me to jail.
It is not the law.
Show me the law. Show me the law.
It is not the law. It is not the law. It is not the law.
Mass civil disobedience starts now.
You're trespassing.
Doesn't matter. We have a right to be.
Then get a warrant.
dude.
Go get a warrant.
Bring a warrant.
Go get a warrant.
Yes, you do.
Come back with a warrant or leave.
So you can walk on any property with no warrant?
Go get a warrant. You guys are breaking the law right now. You're breaking the law. Go outside. No, go on your phone outside. Go on your phone outside.
Please, y'all stay inside.
Okay, we would like to
Get out.
But y'all, this is
We
for
would like to
real.
break the
Get
law.
out.
So leave.
Who reported it? Who reported it?
You know what? I don't know.
Yeah, bullshit.
But it's a legitimate complaint. It can be, that's not,
Okay, wait, you gotta go get a warrant.
that's not how health department.
You gotta go get a warrant. You gotta go get a warrant.
Family, y'all take a step.
Same as that.
Y'all take this thing real serious.
Someone call the news. Take the news here, too.
This is for real, y'all.
Call the news.
Okay, Miss, you need to leave.
Get out!
Get out.
Get out! 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 Get out!
Please stay inside. This is for real.
No, now they gotta get off the property. We don't want them off the fucking property.
Please, y'all stay inside.
Off the property. You're not walking here.
This is the Black Lives Matter protest.
You guys gotta go to the road. You gotta go to the road.
We will not comply.
We will not comply. We will not comply. We will not comply. Keep going. We will not comply.
This is a
We
protest.
will not comply.
We do not
We will not
understand.
comply.
It is a
We
protest.
will not comply.
Lawful
We will not
protest.
comply.
We will
Not
not
comply.
comply. We will not comply.
We will not comply.
We will not comply.
Walk them out.
We will not comply.
We
To the
will
road.
not comply.
To the road. And they are breaking the law. This would be a good radio show for you, Monday.
Fucking New Age Nazis is what they are. Who's on the phone? Adolf Hitler?
Family, y'all take it serious. Please stay inside. Y'all take this thing real serious. This is for real. But y'all, this is for real, y'all. This is for real, y'all.
Take your commie shit elsewhere!
Leave.
How dare you try to do this?
This is for real, y'all.